Never killed one before. Alright guys, first duck of the day. Came in perfect. I didn't even have time to get the camera on. But we only get one bluebill, so I gotta be real careful. ID very well for the rest of the hunt. But there's the first duck of the day. Snow goose. Alright guys, another new species for this year. This is my first ever snow goose. When I was watching that duck, I had another one fly through the decoys, but I'm in the same predicament. I think it was a ringneck, but I'm in the same predicament I've been all morning. I already have a bluebill shot, and unless I know for sure it's not a bluebill, I'm not going to shoot at it. Here's one flying in. I've had some canvasbacks kind of work. I've had some ringnecks get sort of close, but I had those two groups of two each fly right over me. Easy shots, close shots, and I just cannot pick out what they are. And so I'm not going to take that risk. Alright guys, I just got finished packing up. I was hunting Alabama public land again. It continues to be super slow. I was able to get my one bluebill. I could have shot some more ducks, but I wasn't able to ID them that they weren't bluebill. We can only shoot one, but I did get a new species. So I'm really pumped about that. Continues to be super slow. Hopefully it'll pick up soon. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support.